Recently, we finished collecting baseline fauna monitoring data as part of our project Saltmarsh Restoration at Pitt Water-Orielton Lagoon. For this project, NRM South are restoring 65 hectares of temperate saltmarsh at Richmond Park. Over 6 evenings from June to August, we used fyke and seine nets to sample fish on the saltmarsh. The key restoration activity is the removal of a bund to restore natural tidal flows to the marsh. You can see the vegetation on the Coal River side of the bund on the left is much denser and healthier than on the right. Inside the bund fills up with water but is slow to drain, leaving it ponded and creating unhealthy conditions for fish and plants. It's also difficult for fish to navigate back out into the river. Fish use saltmarsh as nursery habitat, and the bund removal will restore their access and the health of the vegetation they depend on. Nets were deployed on either side of the bund to get an understanding of what impact the bund may be having on fish communities. Most of the fish sampled were smallmouth hardyheads, yellow-eye mullet and plenty of shrimp. We also caught a few gobies, greenback flounder, common galaxius, short-finned eels, a soldierfish and several crabs. The length of each fish was recorded before they were released. Follow-up surveys will occur over the life of the project, tracking changes across seasons and years. This project is delivered by NRM South through funding from the Australian Government.